This is some emergency news for those going through the immigration process and even for those who've completed it. With the recent changes by President Trump and announcement by the Department of Homeland Security that they're going to be rechecking cases, even approved ones since 2021, for people who've gotten green cards or in the process to prove petitions, maybe even citizenship. Descheduling O ceremonies happening right now. Again, for those who maybe already have got the green card, have all the security checks, but they're going back in for the people who are from countries that are on the travel ban list and potentially adding 10 or more countries in there. So it's a big deal news. I want to go over how this affects you, what things you know about, and what we don't know. It's for you and your family members to be aware of and your friends, because a large part of our community in America are going to be affected by this in some form or fashion. So first of all, if you have a case pending, they're going to take longer, do additional scrutiny on you. Even if you have an approved case, I-130, I-485, and 400 interview done, they're still going to reopen those and look at those again. So it's going to affect many countries. The big, most populous ones are going to be Iran and Venezuela, but also Sierra Leone, Yemen, Sudan, and Afghanistan, and a couple more countries. Potentially, they may add another list of 10 or 20 countries. We're not sure yet, but it could be high population areas such as Egypt or Nigeria. So be very mindful of this happening. And there's not much we can do right now. People are like, well, how can I protect myself? What can I do? Unfortunately, there's nothing that we can do until we get better clarification on what their plan to do is. Once they put the word of national security, there's not much anyone could do or people will be afraid of, or judges can't do anything about it because of security issues. Now, a question pops up: what if I have a green card? Can I travel? Very likely you can, but I don't recommend it. I hate even giving that recommendation for not traveling, but because we don't know what's happening, it's better to stay put in the U.S. until further clarification is happening. We don't want you going to the airport, coming back in, and getting stuck for a bit of time. Other than that, if you want to file a case, they're not stopping that. So you could technically file a case. If you're already married, you got no choice but to move a case forward, avoid delay. Go ahead and, I can't say go ahead and file it, but it's not even not a bad, may not be a bad idea to file it. But just be prepared for what's happening and to plan out ahead of time with that scenario. So that's the general big news right there. There's a memo on the USCIS.gov website about it. But again, there's not much information about what exactly they're going to do, what more vetting they need to do. They have all these computer systems attached to national security. It's not like people are just getting in like that the way they make it. But the rhetoric and the tone against immigrants in the country, especially by the head of the Department of Homeland Security, has gotten very rough and lacks professionality. So just prepare for a lot of things happening and plan out your case and work with your immigration if you have one, to have your documents in order. Think about what issues could probably happen or potentially happen so you're ready for the worst, but hoping for the best.